Hello class 9. Again let's continue our exercise 2.5 and the question number 6 is write in the expanded form. इस तरह से कोई क्वेश्चन दे रखे हैं, 4 क्वेश्चन है. I am doing only the 2, third one and fourth one. So what are the identities used? क्या होगा यहाँ पे देखो. If you have seen the identity of x plus y whole cube, जैसे x plus y स्क्वायर की फॉर्म होती है, in the same way there is a form of x plus y whole cube which is equals to this x cube plus y cube plus 3xy square plus 3x square y. These are the forms. And one more, this is applied here, this will be applied here, and the other will be so these two identities we will use in these questions. Let's see this one. 3 by 2 x plus 1 whole cube. So what is x here? X is actually become 3 by 2x and y has become equals to 1. Okay, put 3 by 2x whole cube plus 1 cube plus 3 by 2x square into 1 plus 3 into 3 by 2 x 1 is okay. Solve this. Cube of 3 cube is 27. Cube of 2 is 8. Plus 1 cube is 1 only. 3 square is 9. 3 into 9 by 2. No. This will be 2 square is 4. Into 1 will be same this term. Into 1 किया जो वो करके यही टर्म आएगी. Now here also 3 3s are 9 upon 2 x into 1 will be this. Now solve this further. What you will get? You will get 27 upon 8x cube plus again 27 upon 4 x square plus 9 upon 2 x. And this term plus 1. Okay, I write plus 1 here. Okay, I have written this plus 1 in the last. So this is the expanded form of this. Now expand this. If you compare, x is equals to x only here. X is the same value, but the value of y has changed to, value of y is 2 by 3y. What is the value of y? 2 by 3. Now use it. This will be x cube minus 2 by 3y whole cube, then minus of x square into 2 by 3 y, then plus of x into 3 by 2 y square. If you solve it further, this will be x cube only. Now here, what is the cube of 2? 8. What is the cube of 3? 27. What is the cube of y? Y cube. This 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3 cancel out. So we get only 2x square y. And here the term will be 3x into square of 3 is 9 Square of y is y square and square of 2 is 4. Now again further the last step will be this. Three nines are 27 upon 4 x y. So this will be the expanded form of this. Okay, students. So up to question number 6 we have finished. We will take now the question number 7. The question number 7 says evaluate the following. We have these types of questions. Okay, so I am doing the second one. This 102 can be written as 100 plus 2 cube, and if you see x plus y whole cube, this is the form. What is the form of this? X plus y whole cube. x को मान लीजिए 100, y को मान लीजिए 2, तो आपकी आइडेंटिटी होती है ये. दिस इज द आइडेंटिटी. y cube plus x cube and 3x y into x plus y. ये आपकी इक्वेशन, इसका रिजल्ट होता है आइडेंटिटी का. लेट्स अप्लाई इट. राइट 100 in the place of x, so cube of 100, then cube of 2 cube, then 3 into, what will be the answer? 3. This 3 into 100 into 2 and 100 plus 2 in the inside one. This will be, what will be the answer of this? 100 cube is this, 6 zeros. Okay, 6 zeros. Then 2 cube is 8. 3 2s are 6. Into 100, 600, and this will be 600 into 102. 102. Add these first, and this will be 6 2s are 12, 2 6 1s are 6 0, 6 1s are 6, and double 0. Okay, is this right? 100 0 6 times, so 2 and okay, this is the correct answer. Now add these, you will get 8 plus 0 is 8, 0 plus 0 is this, 0 plus 2, 1 plus 6 plus, and then 0. So this is the answer of this. Okay, so easily we have found the cube of this 102. One more we will do is the third one. It is 998 cube. इस 998 को आप लिख सकते हैं 1000 minus 2. You can write 998 as 1000 minus 2. 1000 minus 2 is 998. What will be the identity? Identity will be x minus y cube equals to x cube minus y cube minus of 3xy into x minus. This will be the identity, we will use it. Let's further, what is x here? 1000. What is y here? 2. Okay, and check whether it is correct. Yes. Okay, now put 100,000 cube of 1000, then cube of 2 into 3 into 1000 into 2 and bracket 1000 minus 2. Instead of using this, I am using the other form that will be a little bit more easier. I am using this form. Okay, this will be a little bit easy. So we get 3 into 1000 square into 2 plus of 3 into 1000 into 2. Now solve this. This will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 9 zeros. How many? 9 zeros. Then minus of 8. 2 cube is 8. Then again solve it. This will be 3 into 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros into 2. So write 2 3s are 6. I am writing 2 3s are 6 and plus this form. This is 3. This is 2 2s are 4 into 1000. So the result will be 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 9 zeros प्लस वाली टर्म्स साथ में लिख लो. 3 4s are 12,000 माइनस दिस इज 60 lakhs 6 zeros and minus 8. The result of this will be 9940 1199. Okay, this will be the result of this. Thank you very much.